Today is Thanksgiving Day, so I just wanted to reach out to you guys and say Happy Thanksgiving. And we thought this was the perfect day to share something special with you and to say thanks, because we got
the YouTube plaque for reaching 100,000 subscribers.
And we couldn't have done it without you guys. So this is actually a really, really cool and special moment for us, because that's a lot of people who've chosen to click subscribe. They liked our channel, they wanted to follow us, they enjoyed our family or our videos, and that's just really cool to us. When we started our channel back when?
Spring of 2016. We
had no idea that this many people would be interested in following us. We never had any big ambitions or motivations to do anything. It was just
starting the channel and not really knowing what we were doing and just
wanting to share.
Yeah.
And we still enjoy sharing with you guys, and we just thought it'd be fun to open our 100,000 subscriber plaque with you guys.
So we reached 100,000 on September 30th, 2020. So it took us about 4.5 years.
Let me see what this says. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick.
And a letter here. And there it is. Cool.
Really cool. And they got our name right. Want to take it out and show them?
Mm-hmm.
So there it is. That's the close-up. And really awesome. There's their name. 100,000 subs from YouTube. Now this has been a personal goal of Ashley's for a long time. And we finally made it.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
It's cool. We never thought we'd reach 100K.
You know, this is funny because I always pictured it being a button. But this is actually an inset kind of mirror.
It used to be different, actually.
So this is a newer style than I've seen. I mean, it's got... The play part is outset. You can see it sets in. It's just a plaque. That's really neat. It's pretty.
Yeah.
And we got our name right. Different. You guys know we've changed our name 4 times?
Yeah.
Since starting our channel. We've never been shy about changing our channel name. Some people build a channel name and they think it's their brand and they're terrified to change it. They don't want to ruin their channel. We've always just done what felt right for us because we're literally just real people sharing with you guys, and we don't see it as like this big
brand
or
thing.
business.
Yeah.
So we've always just had to do what makes us feel good. And we're really liking this new name. It really fits us, our journey, where we came from, starting with nothing before we were on YouTube back in New York. This way. Where's New York? And just working. Is it that way?
Yeah. That's north.
Oh, yeah. For some reason. Anyway. We have been working by ourselves, DIYing.
Being different.
Living different.
Yeah.
And it really just joins together. It's hard to explain. We'll get more into our journey. I'm sure a lot of you guys have picked up bits and pieces along the way. But we're happy with the name. And it's way better than the other ones we had. And so I'm happy that we have that on the plaque. Since it's on a plaque, we'll probably have to keep this name for a while. We'll see.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you for getting us there. Thank YouTube for sending it to us. and giving us this opportunity and the platform. A lot of people, they can be hard on YouTube, but they've given us a voice and a platform to reach out, to share, to meet you guys, and that's really cool. It's been crazy. We can't even explain how much it's changed everything for us.
Yeah.
Maybe we can explain it, but not right now. So, yeah, very cool. Our YouTube plaque is finally here, 100K. Thank you so much on this Thanksgiving Day. We have a lot to be thankful for, even though sometimes it can be tough and you don't always feel like it. But, yeah, the little things and even the little big things, they're pretty cool. So that's all we wanted to do today. Just share a quick video with you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying your day and everybody's doing okay.
And we're not sure where we want to hang it yet and stuff like that.
No. We'll try to be back soon with another video. So thanks for watching, sticking around, and being one of our 100,000 subscribers. We'll see you guys soon. And until next time, take care.
Bye.